Here is an SMC Diamond Crystal. I got this fan from my local Habitat Restore. And when I found it there, they said it was untested. So they said they weren't sure if it works or not. So I took a chance anyway, since I don't really care if Habitat tests them or not. But it does work. It works perfectly. Everything works as it should. Everything here is original. I don't know about that pull chain extension, like if you can see on the bottom there. I'm not sure if that's original or not. But this uses a UFO motor, as SMC often used, like motors that kind of look like a UFO or whatever. And the housing is lit, and the shades on the bottom are identical. They match the sideband of the motor housing. So we'll get a look at it. The blades are reversible from cane to plain oak. And the light pull chain is a 3-way. So there's the housing. Takes 4 candelabra bulbs, like nightlight bulbs. I did put 4 of them in. When I got this fan from Habitat, all 4 were burnt out. So I got new ones. I only have 4, and I guess one of them was defective because the one right here went out. So only 3 are lit. And a cool thing about these fans is when you change these bulbs, you don't have to take the entire housing apart. You can just undo these little screws, and there's these little hatches on the bottom. They come out, so you can just reach in and change the bulb. So it's pretty neat. Here's the bottom light, or the downlight, whatever you want to call it. And there's all the lights. And for this video, I'm just going to leave the housing lights on because I think it's cool. And here's low. The bearings are actually pretty good in this fan. They're not perfect, but it's pretty good for an SMC. SMC kind of use like crappy bearings. It's got a nice hum to it on all the speeds. We'll put it on medium. This thing runs incredibly well. we'll turn it on high speed. I'll go ahead and turn on the light. And here's spin down. I might install this permanently somewhere just because I really like the looks of this fan. But I haven't decided yet. And that is all for the SMC Diamond Crystal.